Because I keep saying practice, 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 then practice some more, you're going to hear that in your dreams. I'm giving you a few exercises to do at your leisure. All of the exercises are designed to strengthen your photo composition. You know, exposure, aperture, ISO, these are all key elements to a good photograph. You need to know those things. But if your composition is not strong, the key elements won't matter at all. Well, why is that? Well, because bad photo composition won't keep your viewers' attention. It's like a bad television show. You might watch once, but if it's really horrible, you're not going to watch again. Fantastic photo composition will grab your viewers' attention and it won't let them go. They'll stop, they'll take notice, and they'll keep looking at your images. What's more is the viewer will want to see more and more, and you really do want this.